Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cause phone screen on laptop Windows 11. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open settings. Once you are in settings, you simply need to click on system, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of projecting to this device, to this PC. Click on that option, and here you can see that different options. You simply need to turn that to always off. Ask to project to this PC first time only and requiring pin, you simply need to click on never, and then you need to click on launch to connect app to project to this device. Once you click on that, you simply need to open in your smartphone screencast and click on that option. Once you click on that, your screen will be cast onto your PC. So let me show you a demonstration. First I click on that, and then in my smartphone I am going to click on screencast, and now my smartphone is connecting to this PC, as you can see that. So here you can see my screen of smartphone. So this is a process by which you can cast cell screen onto your laptop on Windows 11. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.